much fun flying around. It's pretty cool, especially during the winter time. All the snow flying around and stuff. That's great. Well, it's getting a little bit windy. I want to get back home, back to Sky World eventually. I'll wait for the blizzard, of course. I don't want anything bad to happen. I'm getting bad right now. That was a hard fall. Oh no. Everything is so foggy and blurry, and I can't see anything. Oh no! I gotta get back home somehow, but now it's so snowing. The blizzard happened early this time. I wanted to beat the blizzard, but now I'm stuck here in the great snowy land. I have to fly back to my great upper land of Sky World. But right now, I'm dealing with blizzard. What am I gonna do? I guess I have to camp out, I guess. Let me see if I can forage for some sticks somewhere. Now, where can some sticks be? If I was sticks, where would I be? No one here, because I don't see any trees. Huh? Sticks! Wow, I didn't expect to see any here. I wonder why. I haven't seen a single tree. Is there a tree around here?
Oh!
Huh?
Ah, man, I keep tripping. Where am I even going? I wish this blizzard could subside soon, but good that I have sticks for a fire. No.
Hi there, Shadow's minion.
Oh no! One of Mario's friends confiscated my sticks, and now they're gonna beat me up and throw me across the snowy landscape, and I'm gonna freeze to death and then turn to bricks and ice and fire and everything else and all that stuff.
No, I'm not trying to do that. I just wanted to find some sticks.
Oh really? You are gonna definitely beat me up, right?
No, I can't. Why would I? It's so freezing and blowing and snow I hear. I don't think I can even throw a punch.
Well, I can. Oh. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen.
What you thought was gonna happen? It's blowing very hard right now.
Well, I thought I could get a cheap shot so I could get my sticks back. Wait, I guess this was so stupid. You could have it. I'm going back to starve to death.
No, I don't want that. Maybe we can help each other. Are you in the same problem?
Well, of course I am. I mean, kind of.
Well, you're one of Shadow's minions, so is Shadow around here?
Nope, he's nowhere around here. He kicked me out. I was trying to, I was suggesting making, some good old Christmas pies for everybody, because, it's around the Christmas time, but he decided, no, that's a bad idea. He kicked me out and threw me out in the snow, and now I'm stuck here. And I haven't had food in over 10 hours.
Oh, that sounds bad. I had McDonald's a couple hours ago.
We're supposed to add to my story. You're just like glazing yourself or something?
No, I just wanted to, I'm sorry.
You are sorry. What's your problem?
Well, I was trying to fly back to my home in Sky World, but the blizzard started way earlier and I fell all the way down here.
Oh. Aha, you can't fly through snow. Aha, you can't fight through snow.
Well, I guess we can figure out what to eat. What you can eat. I'm, full. What do you like to eat?
Nothing. Because I'm tired. I'm so sad.
Well, I just want to get home, and I just don't know how to. The snow. It's blowing really hard, and I have no way to go against the wind. And even if I try to fly, I don't know where I will be. I'll just be blown across somewhere farther than here. And I don't want to risk it.
Well, if I gotta say something, always follow your dreams. Because, I don't know what I went with that. All I am is just some Tasmanian devil that spins around to a tornado and then throws people and then I chop your arms off because that's how I fight.
Wait, you say spin around and make a tornado?
Well, of course, that's my entire gimmick.
Maybe you could do that to blow the wind somewhere else so I can fly away.
What? That sounds counterintuitive. If I use a tornado, then a tornado's gonna blow you and suck you in and stuff.
Well, that's a reason to try. And plus, I'm fast in the sky. All I need is the wind to go to somewhere else, and I can blow quickly fast, and then I will be safe. And hey, maybe you can use your tornado to blow through the wind yourself.
Oh, I never thought of that. All right, let's try that.
Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready. Tornado! Hey, I think something's working here.
It is! Now the wind is going in your direction. Oh! I guess I'm about to fly out now. Yeah! I can go home now. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, the wind is blowing harder than usual. All I wanted to do was go to Mario's house and blow it up with a giant shadow bomb, but I guess I can't do that. Oh! Welcome back, Taz. Now go ahead and fix my coal. Alright.